Yeah, my name is Ayoola Ajeleti, and it's nice, passing through Max-Migold. It's a wonderful organization, basically into facility management. I won't lie to you, they are producing great leaders in the future, those people that will manage this field, greatly in the future. I feel so great today because I am privileged and opportune to be part of this very movement, because I can foresee that it's going to be a greater one in the nearest future. So they've been wonderful, like I said earlier on. They've impacted so many knowledge into us, and we are a better person today. I can assure you that. At least with what we have gotten in this organization, in this field, man, I can guarantee the fact that we're going to affect our world positively in this very field and environment. So I think to the very best of my knowledge, I would like to use this medium, to be an advocate, for people to come to this very field, because the more we are, the better the country becomes and the better the industry as well. Thank you so much.